selling yearbooks today. You should get one.
Oh, I'll get it tomorrow.
Yesterday, you said tomorrow. The yearbook is only 65! 65! Just do it! Just do it!
Drowning deep in my sea of loathing, broken, your servant I am. Will you give it to me? It seems what's left of my human side.